Human life is a great creation on this earth, and God also very satisfied after this creation, because in human life only a person can realize ultimate truth or ultimate reality. God gave all to realize that God gave everything to human life. There are many chakras. In them, 7 chakras is very most important. In modern science, we say these are glands, and it is necessary to activate these glands in human life. Without activate these glands, a people cannot feel satisfied. These chakras is for activate. It is very necessary. If not, then a person cannot be happy. And when a person to go to inner inside the system, then a person see the inner structure, and then many secrets come out. Normally what happen, a person when it take birth, after that when first time a child open eyes, he saw the world. Since then, constantly a person see world and receive many different kind of information, and a person become extrovert with this information, and slowly a person entangled with this information, and a person feel that is his identity. But in fact, this is not his identity. Real identity is inside. The real form. Our real form is Atma or Paramatma. This or in different word we can say Brahman. Upanishad and Vedas says I am Atma Brahma. This Atma is Brahman. Tattvamasi, Tat Tvam Asi. He, you and me, all are Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. Shivoham. Shiv, I am Shiv, Shiva. Shiva means blissful Chetna. This is our real form. Also in different way you can say your real form is Sat Chit Anand. Sat means truth. Chit means conscious. This form is full of conscious. And Anand. Anand means bliss, joy. In another word we say Satyam Shivam Sundaram. I am truth. I am eternal. Shivam means blissful. I am blissful. And Sundaram means beautiful. Nothing more beautiful than self. But we have to realize this self within self. So when the key point is in our these all 7 chakras, so somehow the grace of the master with his sankalp, एक Shakti become introvert and wake up toward the self and then start to work inside the system, start to open, penetrate these chakras one by one. And when these chakras open, then automatically a person feel very bliss, and birth by birth, step by step, open many secrets. Even according to scripture, all universe is hidden in a human body. All universe is hidden in these 7 chakras. If somehow the grace of the master, if a person become introvert and wake up inside, then a person start to feel this unlimited universe and unlimited bliss, unlimited joy, unlimited beauty, and a person feel very satisfied inside. This is the process of Shaktipat. In Shaktipat, a master, through his sankalp, he activate the inner conscious and wake up inside. After that, a seeker start to realize this whole process is very, very blissful, very, very joyful. A person once, if see, then only a person can realize, then person only can know. This is totally inner process. Each human being should know this secret, otherwise one birth or many birth, a person always feel half, never satisfied without that. That is the real human life. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukh Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.